How to delete TikTok account without password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily delete TikTok without password. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your TikTok application and let me show you the process that you usually do to delete account. So simply head over to profile section and click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and select settings and privacy. So once you're inside here, just select account, and once you're inside here you will normally do this delete or deactivate account option and simply choose delete your account permanently and just skip it for now and you can continue. So currently there has been recent change. When you want to delete your TikTok account, TikTok will be sending the 6-digit code on your Gmail, registered Gmail first, then only you might have to enter your password. And if you don't have to enter your password, you can easily delete it. But if it's in case if it's still ask you about the password, so here's what you need to do for that. So just come back to your settings page once again, just like this, and once you're inside your settings page, just simply click on account option once again and just click on this password button over here. So you basically have to enter or reset your password while you are still inside your account, logged into your account. So they will basically send a 6-digit code to reset your link on your Gmail. You can simply enter it and reset your link, reset your password, and simply enter your password to delete your account permanently. So from here on out, you can basically follow the same steps which I showed you previously to basically delete your account permanently, just like this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.